compliments of the season. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for joining me today. I love this season we are in. This is one of my best season, Christmas. So today I'm going to show you what I make every Christmas season, which is cake. I know a lot of us make cake. I love to make fruit cake, but mine has alcohol in it. It has rum in it. If you're not into that, go ahead and use grape juice or cherry juice, mix it with water and all that cool stuff, and you're good to go. It's still the same thing, but for these, I want to make it traditionally, which is using the rum. This is the brand of rum I'm using, Bacardi. Nice one. All right, over here, I have black raisins, cranberry dried. I have the golden cranberry raisins. I have black currant. I have apricots. I have already sliced it. I have glazed red cherries, green glazed red cherries, and of course I measured out the alcohol, which is like a cup. Here I have a zest of lemon and a zest of orange. Also, I'm going to be soaking this with a cinnamon stick, and of course the jar I'm going to be using. This is all you need. I know it's a lot of ingredient, but hey, it's Christmas, it's fruit cake. So what I'm going to do is show you how I soak it. I will soak it overnight, and then I'll use it. Tomorrow is the day I'm going to make the cake, but for tonight, I'm soaking it right now, so all the fruits can absorb the rum, okay, for more flavor. All right, guys, try this recipe. Believe me, you will like it. I remember years back when I first tested it, I'm like, what is that? There is something. They said rum cake. I'm like, rum cake? What is rum cake? Because I'm not used to it, but I got to learn how to do it. Kudos to my Jamaican friend. Anyway, so let me show you how to put this together in the jar. All right, so we're gonna be putting, I washed these raisins because I realized when I use all these dried raisins, like when I'm making pumpkin bread or pumpkin cake, I taste kind of a sand. I don't know if any other person tests that. And I was wondering the first time, I'm like, did I put sand in this? Where did I get sand from? But anyways, one day I decided to wash it before using it. And I realized that when I washed it properly, I didn't have that taste anymore. You know, so from then, all these dry fruits, I like to wash them. You know, during process, you don't know, what hand or whatever, what it went through. But anyways, so I basically washed the black currant, the golden, and the black raisins. I washed it. That's what I did. And for the jelly, the glazed cherry, you can slice it if you want. Some of these were sliced and some is in whole. Still the same thing. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the orange and lemon zest. And I put the apricot. And tomorrow when I'm making the cake, I show you the rest of the ingredients we're gonna be using. But for now, I'm just showing you how I'm soaking the fruits. So this is the red glazed. It's cherry. You see, some of them is cut and some is whole. I don't know, maybe that's how they make it in the store. But I just put everything like that. Just make sure you have a big basin that will fit in everything. There is another, I'm making a whole mess here. Another method is to boil your fruits. If you are boiling your fruits, then you really don't need to soak overnight because already you boil it. But I like to use this method. Maybe someday I'll do the boiling method in the video. I hope my container will fit properly. I was really hoping for it to fit. You just store it on your table and you're good to go. Alright, if it doesn't fit, I'm just going to leave the rest. At least I got what I want. And finally, we go ahead, not really finally, pour the rum. I like to add just 2 sticks of cinnamon. It's Christmas, so we're going to use everything. Actually, let me put 3. I need all the flavor. This cake I'm making is going to be a gift to some people. So, you see that, guys? It's going to be here. All right. There you go. Look at that beautiful color, guys. Just look at that. Look at that. Smells good already. Anyway, so we're gonna leave it at the counter overnight, and tomorrow we'll be back to bake the cake. Okay, guys? See you tomorrow. Alright, guys, I poured everything here. I tried to use this, but I think this is not gonna be enough. This is better for me because this plate has a cover. Where did I put the cover again? Yeah. This plate has a cover, so this is the perfect size. And I didn't show the mixed fruit. These are the mixed fruit. I got it from the store. So, just go ahead and you don't really have to mix everything. You just put it in your plate. It's a whole lot because I'm giving out this cake. I'm going to be making like little pans of cake to give out for Christmas to some beautiful family of mine. Oh, please don't fall off because I need everything. So for the rum, I have the cinnamon stick, everything inside. Alright, this was way better. Way better. Okay, you see what I'm saying? It has a cover. So I'm going to leave it in the countertop till tomorrow. Normally you just soak it overnight, but if you're doing the boiling method, you don't need to just boil it and start using it. Or you can soak it for 2 to 3 hours and go ahead and make your cake. I hear some people soak for like a year. I really don't know the brain behind that, but I think overnight works for me. I've been doing it this way, and it's been very tasty and coming out well. Okay, alright, so guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Sleep tight, sleep well, and thank you for coming. Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. This is continuation of the cake we started yesterday, the rum cake, Christmas fruit cake, all of those names. Anyway, thank you so much for coming in again. So let me show you what we're going to be doing right now. So right now we've done the most important, which is soaking the mixed fruit and all that. So it's soaked overnight. As you can see, it's well soaked in the rum. So for this, we're going to be needing, I have 5 eggs over here. I have room temperature butter, like 250 grams. I have 1 cup of brown sugar, baking powder. Here I have a mixture of allspice, cinnamon, and salt here. Also, I'm going to be adding vanilla, and I'm going to be zesting lemon into it. I'm zesting lemon because when you use a lot of egg like this for baking, you don't want to be testing the egg. You need something to tone the taste down. And here, oh boy, and here I have my flour that I'm going to be sifting into the bowl to use. I don't want it to pour. I already made, I told you guys, these cakes I'm going to be giving out to some family members or friends. So this is the size I'm going to be using. And I'm equally going to use this one large for the family. And that's what we have to do. Anyway, as you can see, my sugar already poured in the butter. As if the sugar knows we're going to, mix it together. So we might as well let it go. So, because I'm going to be mixing this, you're going to need your hand mixer to incorporate it properly before adding the egg, alright? So let's go. I'm going to be putting like a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to add all the dry spices. This is nutmeg, cinnamon, and the mixed spice. I just want to sift everything with the flour together. Here I have like 2 cups of flour. You can use 1.5 cups, but I need large quantity. Alright, so you see all that? That's not going to go in smooth enough. So it's time to mix the sugar and the butter. So I didn't plug this. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding the egg. But I don't want to put everything at the same time. Let me do it 1 egg per mix. that is well mixed, you add another one again. Just be patient with it. So at this point, I want to add the vanilla essence. It's very important to this recipe. And then I add the third egg. And we mix. Now I add the last egg and we mix. So I'm going to be zesting in the lemon. I'm going to zest the whole lemon into it. Also gives it a nice taste too. Alright, transfer the wet mixture into the dry. I'm going to give it a quick mix before I start adding the fruits. You fold. So now I'm going to be adding the mixed fruits. Let me mix this first. Alright, make sure it's well incorporated properly. And now I'm going to be, I already prepped my pan. You see I have the parchment paper and I sprayed it with a baking spray. So right now I'm going to go ahead and be pouring them. I'm using spoon because I want to get the right measurement. This parchment paper, you know, the people that bake, kudos to them, because it's a whole lot of fight with parchment paper for me. Anyway, I'm not a pastry chef. I'm just doing my home baking. So this is for my friends and family that I have in line. And for you, my subscribers too. I wish I could mail it to every one of you, because you all are amazing. Okay guys, this is it, looking beautiful. I did much as I can do. So right now I'm gonna put it in a 350 degrees preheated oven for 1.5 hours. So see you then. Guys, our fruit cake is ready. Amazing. I got this out already. So what you can do to preserve the moist, I'm going to be spraying some brandy. I don't have a spray available now. I'm going to be using the baking brush. Just, you know, rub some rum or brandy or red wine to it just to preserve it. I'm going to be doing this for a whole week until the day I want to give it out. But after doing this, I'll be wrapping it in a foil paper. Yeah, wrap it in the foil paper to preserve it. If not, it's going to dry out on you. This one can just go like right on top, just for it to be moist. Look at how beautiful that is, guys. So this is so nice. Nice packaging. Alright, so you see I'm going to leave it in the parchment paper to preserve everything. You just go ahead and fold it. And like in 3 days time, I'm going to spray another rum on it, like I said, to keep the moistness. Alright, so you see I wrapped it up, and in 3 days I opened it up and sprayed some rum. I left this out so I could show you guys how the inside is. So now let me just, this is for my family, let me just take it out of the baking pan. So this I'm going to be wrapping also, but let me show you guys how it is. Yummy! Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Amazing! You gotta use the brandy or the rum if you want to get the real taste. Super! Mm. I hope they will enjoy it when I give it to them. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Merry Christmas! Happy Vlogmas 2020. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been fun here in my kitchen. Go ahead and make your own fruitcake. Give it out as a gift or share with your family members. Thank you, guys. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you all. Stay safe and stay blessed.